Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today, we'd like to show you the updates for main bull run plan for CRV Curve with my customer Chris. Let's dive in, guys. All targets relevant. Highly recommend you just an educational purpose. Go and check, find in Telegram channel the main bull run plan video for Curve. So the people always ask why you post the updates, when the talking pump. Guys, I'm not post when the talking pump updates because all main targets showed you even the years ago. And this is absolutely the same feed, the same target, the same zones for accumulation, for distribution. We can't know the timing when it will happen. It's when the market makers deliver the price to the right target by timing. We can't know when, but they will deliver the price to the right target in the right moment when they need it. That's the point. That's why all markets totally under control of the market makers, centralized exchanges, and elites. Believe you or not, it's not about like manipulation or some manipulator. No, it's just a basic price delivery in the right time and right moment, right? To not make everybody rich, because people live with this stupid patterns in their heads, all crypto should go to new all-time high. No, guys, or not all tokens will hit the new all-time high, even this cycle. So here, it's the same FIB, top, January somewhere 2. I count this top because I'm not counting this one like August 2020. This is a top, January somewhere 2, drop, rejection at 23, take a look till penny, drop, reaction, bounce, rejection, 27 block. We traded around 27 block and even under 27 level here, and still now 1,127 days. All these same periods, somebody accumulated the curve down. For what? To deliver the price in the right moment, the right time to the main targets. 45% tokens in circular supply. So guys, it's kind of big capitalization, and the problem is with the curve down. Take a look with this supply, 1.37 billion. The FDV almost twice bigger than market capitalization. Of course, the market cap is just a basic formula. It's not the real liquidity into that token. But guys, be careful because this is just a random. It's just random price target, with the weak candle. Here, we talk about a capitalization. So here, at the top, at $40, I don't know, how do they count, this $25, I don't know. What exactly do they count? Here, the capitalization was like, here, the price, why it's showing here, the 40, if it was a 5. Some randomizer about on crypto rank. So around like, let's say $6 here, 6. Yeah, 6.70 cents. It was the capitalization around 2.5 billion. So now with this current supply, so 2.5 billion capitalization, right? So at $2, so 2.5 billion capitalization at $6.70. Now with this supply at $2, the capitalization will be already bigger than all-time high on bar market capitalization. 2.7. So I'm more than conservative with the price target for the curve. It's around here, 435, 492. This is my take for this token by end of this cycle. I don't think so. The CRV gonna hit the new all-time high. So $4, it's 5.4 billion market capitalization, $4 price, and for example, twice bigger market capitalization, or even more than it was at all-time high. If you believe in the next target like 983, you can wait this target, 983. 13.5 billion market cap. I don't think so it will ever happen. So my take is here. Last time, guys, take a look here. October 2020, this token performed like less than 2,000% gains. This is one great example for everyone who waited like 5,000% gains, 3,000, 10,000% gains from each token. This is the greatest example. So it was a bull run, and the greatest cycle for this token. After the COVID dump, this token listed in August 2020 on the Binance, and October 2020 till December 2021, January 2022, this token finished the right. less than 2,000% gains. All right, if we count from the lowest point, let's find the lowest point here. We sweep the historical lower low, just in case. Here, it was in August on the 24. Here, guys. 376, it will be absolutely identical, the gains in percentage like this cycle. So 376. Most positive here, this one like 2,300% gains, 0.5 level by FIB test. And yes, this token can finish the ride like this one. You remember I showed you this example, how the tokens will perform next few years. So just in case, guys, I'm not a fan of CRV. I don't like the CEO and owner of this token. I don't like all the time they get some troubles with this token. That's why, like speculation, we are still inside 27 block. 56, $1, it was a comfortable price for accumulation. Logical, comfortable price for accumulation. We already passed the yearly open. Yes, can we trade longer here? Yes, of course we can. Should we trade it here? No. Next step is sweep this liquidity pool, test a monthly fair value gap. $1, no. $1.42, $1.98. Guys, you could accumulate here, 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 here. All this same period, you could accumulate 1,127 days. You could accumulate in this block because all this block was an accumulation zone. When we will go like this move, everybody gonna talk about CRV. Oh, when to buy? This is a up to your own risk. Was a zone for accumulation. So, for example, is it okay to buy now? I don't see any reason. Even with the continuation, it's just like 337% gains. Is it okay for you to take a risk? Up to you. You can take a risk and accumulate. For example, this token already pumped like 400%. Can we talk about a local like double bottom? Maybe. But the road is open, guys. Over then this liquidity pool $1.33. Believe it or not, sooner or later we're gonna go in and sweep this high. This one, monthly gap, and this zone like fixation profit. Here was a perfect test of the buy line in March 25. If you track it, this token with my customer cassette, you could add even alerts and get notification about it. So take profit, we can hide it. Highly recommend you, by the way, guys, go and check just the first video about this token to understand the logic. Here was a main accumulation. Here, accumulation September 2023 at 41 cents. After that, we formed the warranty here at 2.11 cents and pump. Nice one. Here is the accumulation, now nothing. So if you track now, the main accumulation was here. Of course, now we're like 100% in profit. For that guys who accumulated here, they can easily fix a profit. $1 price will be like psychological trigger where a lot of people, I guess, will add their limit orders to sell and even open short position because it's always attractive. And I would be not surprised if we liquidate that guys and go into $1.43, $1.99. Got it. So no signal to sell or buy now. Just small trail zone like just the beginning of the A3 year. We need to see something like this madness about this token. But guys, keep realistic targets. Less than 2,000% gains was the top of the top in 2021. And if you've been here in 2021, you remember the A3 year on the market. Accumulation. Here was a distribution money outflow, 1, 2, 3 weeks money outflow. Now nothing. So wait, once again, the money outflow. If you accumulated, of course, around here, 40 cents, 25 cents now, it will be not a mistake to withdraw your initial deposit with this kind of risky token, guys. And sleep well. Last indicator, trade on. Here was a recommendation close position. Take profit, sell, drop, buy back. Now the road is open to test, and I'm more than sure we're going to see the reaction at $1.0074. After that, I wish to see the liquidation of these guys, $1.34, and test of the monthly favorable gap. Would be good to see the full fill, $1.97 around here, 98. And break the structure, Finally, so my take is still relevant, daily. Let me show you the daily one. Guys, of course, after this, right, it's not a mistake to fix that profit. Let me show you the take profit indicator, guys. Here. We bounce it. We drop it to the fundamental value in March. This one. Bounce it to exit line. Drop, didn't test on the daily and even on a 12 time frame. And go higher. Now we're trying to break the exit line. Now, open short position, it's kind of can be risky. Because here liquidity pool, like a magnet, $1.05, $1.11, $1.33. I can't recommend you, and I explained you why, to buy the CRV now. But if you believe in this project, I totally don't care about this one. If you believe in it, you can accumulate even now. $1.56. It was a comfortable price and comfortable zone for accumulation. Target, Guys, I hope you liked this video. Write please in a comment what you think about CRV. If you'd like to trade with my customer Chris, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.